Hello children, today we will discuss about 5th standard SST subject Essay 1 model question paper with answer. Let's start. First main, choose the correct options from the bracket. See here, there are 10 fill in the blanks. Is it? In bracket, there are options. Let's start. The first question is, the dash is a medical device used to listen to the sounds of the internal body organs. Which is that? That is stethoscope. Is it, children? The answer is stethoscope. The stethoscope is a medical device used to listen to the sounds of the internal body organs. Second question, dash is an example of liquid waste. Are you remember the liquid waste, children? That is sewage. Sewage is an example of liquid waste. Third question, sudden increase in noise can have an adverse effect on the dash and dash. Which is the right option? Heart and blood pressure. Is it, children? Sudden increase, or if we listen the loud noise, what will happen? That will affect on the heart and blood pressure. Is it? This is the third answer. Fourth question, the dash and the dash are important rivers that flow through the prairies. Which are the rivers flow through the prairies? Are you remember? Just recall the rivers, children. Mississippi and Missouri. The Mississippi and the Missouri are important rivers that flow through the prairies. Next, fifth question, dash is a type of bird found in the prairies. What type of bird we can find in prairies, children? Falcon. Is it? Next, sixth question, Saudi Arabia lies between the dash and the Red Sea. Saudi Arabia lies between the what, children? Persian Gulf. Is it? Saudi Arabia lies between the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea. Question number 7. Dash is a busy seaport in Saudi Arabia. Busy seaport. Which is that? Which is that, children? Jeddah. Is it? Jeddah is a busy seaport in Saudi Arabia. Next, 8th question. Greenland became an integral part of dash in 1953. Which is the integral part of Greenland, children? Denmark. Is it? Denmark. Next, ninth question. The second largest river in Africa. The second largest river in Africa is Congo. Congo is the second largest river in Africa. The last question. The winds blowing from land to sea are known as the wind blowing from land to sea. What is the answer? Land breeze. Next, match the columns. Mountain range, noise pollution, steppes, penicillin, valley. B part, 1928, chain of mountains, insomnia, low area between hills, Eurasia. Mountain range, where I have to match mountain range? Chain of mountains. Noise pollution. Noise pollution causes insomnia. Steppes is a grassland of Eurasia. Penicillin, invented 1928. Valley, low region between two hills or low area between two hills. Okay. Third main, answer these questions. Here I given 10 questions, but you have to attend any 8. The first question is, what is prime meridian? Are you remember prime meridian? See here. Prime meridian stands at 0 degree and passes through Greenwich in London. Prime meridian stands at 0 degree and passes through Greenwich in London. It divides the earth into Eastern Hemisphere and the Western Hemisphere. Prime meridian stands at 0 degree. It is run from North Pole to South Pole. Prime meridian divides the earth into Eastern Hemisphere, Western Hemisphere. Next, what is map? What is map? So here, this is also one type of map. A map is a drawing of a part or the whole of the earth on a flat surface. It may represent a small area, a country, a continent, or the entire world. Third question. What do you know about medical imaging? What do you know about medical imaging? Medical imaging involves the use of technology to get visual representation of the internal organs of human body. It helps medical practitioners to diagnose and treat diseases. The technologies used to view and analyze the functioning of the parts of the human body are X-ray, MRI, EEG, ECG, etc. Fourth question. Give examples of gaseous waste, carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbon and nitrogen. These are the example of gaseous waste. Solid waste ಗಟ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿರುವಂತದ್ದು plastic, metal and polythene. Next, fifth question. Why are forests being cleared? For what reason, children? Forests are being cleared in order to bring more land under cultivation. Sixth question. Name 3 cities that are located in the prairie region. Which are those 3 cities located in the prairie region are Chicago, Texas and Oklahoma. These are the 3 cities located in the prairie region. Seventh question. Who are Bedouins? Nomadic tribes found in Saudi Arabia are known as Bedouins or Bedouins. They usually engage in nomadic herding. Okay? Nomadic means what? A group of people. A group of people who travel from one place to another in search of food. Is it? Next, how are the huskies useful to the people in Greenland? The huskies are dog. The huskies are useful to the people of Greenland because they are used for hunting and pulling sledges. Next, ninth question. Describe the climate experienced by the DRC, Democratic Republic of Congo. The climate of the equatorial region is generally hot and wet with high temperature and high humidity. There is a little variation in the temperature during summer and winter. The length of the day and night is almost equal. It rains almost every evening. Which are the regions surrounded by equator? That is called what? Equatorial region. Is it, children? 10th question. Write the main features of the tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests have 5 layers. Which are those? The canopy layer has trees that are tall and lock with each other, so the remaining forest does not get sunlight. Yeah, this is also one example. Next, the understory layer contains short trees. The shrub layer is made up of shrubs, ferns and young trees. The ground layer has ferns, fungi, mosses and small plants which do not need much sunlight to grow. Is it, children? Next, the leaves of a dense forest are most broad and very waxy, hairy or leather-like in texture. I will show one more example. Very nice, no? Tropical evergreen forest. If I given this question for 3 marks, if I given this question for 3 marks, you have to write all these points. If I given for 2 or 1 mark for the same question, if I given for 3 or 2 or 1 marks, you have to less the points, and but you have to choose the important points.